Dear viewers, welcome to Amazing Nature and Animal Channel. We are very fortunate to live in a beautiful world. The natural environment of this world is so beautiful and diverse. Every man has spent every hour of his life to accumulate new experience in a core. He will gather a very little part of this world for the rest of his life. We are lucky that we have internet today. We can travel around the world at home. Let me take you to some of those places today, such as the Rainbow Tree, the Rainbow Mountain, the Blood Falls of Antarctica. First, let's take a look at the Rainbow Forest in Australia. Eucalyptus deglupta is a species of tall tree, commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus, Mindanao gum, or rainbow gum, that is native to the Australia, Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. It is the only eucalyptus species that usually lives in rainforest. It is characterized by multicolored bark. Eucalyptus deglupta is a fast-growing tree that typically reaches a height of 197 to 246 feet, with a trunk up to 8 feet in diameter, and with buttresses up to 13 feet high. It has smooth, orange-tinted bark that sheds in strips, revealing streaks of pale green, red, orange, gray, and purplish-brown. The branchlets are roughly square in cross-section, often with narrow wings on the corners. Hi, the Zhangye National Geopark is located in Sunan and Linze counties, within the prefecture-level city of Zhangye, in Gansu, China. It covers an area of 322 square kilometers. The site became a quasi-national geopark on April 23, 2012, provisional name, Zhangye Danxia Geopark. It was formally designated as Zhangye National Geopark. Known for its colorful rock formations, Zhangye Danxia is known for the unusual colors of the rocks, which are smooth, sharp and several hundred meters tall. They are the result of deposits of sandstone and other minerals that occurred over 24 million years. The result was tilted by the action of the same tectonic plates, responsible for creating parts of the Himalayan mountains. Wind, rain, and time then sculpted extraordinary shapes, including towers, pillars, and ravines, with varying colors, patterns, and sizes. Outside of China, Rainbow Mountain can be seen in Peru, Arizona, Philippines. The Christmas Island red crab, Geocarcoidea natalis, is a species of land crab that is endemic to Christmas Island and Cocos Islands in the Indian Ocean. Although restricted to a relatively small area, an estimated 43.7 million adult red crabs once lived on Christmas Island alone, but the accidental introduction of the yellow crazy ant is believed to have killed about 10 to 15 million of these in recent years. Christmas Island red crabs make an annual mass migration to the sea to lay their eggs in the ocean. Although its population is under great assault by the ants, as of 2018 the red crab had not been assessed by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and it was not listed on their red list. For most of the year, red crabs can be found within Christmas Island's forests. Each year, however, they migrate to the coast to breed. The beginning of the wet season, usually October, November, allows the crabs to increase their activity and stimulates their annual migration. Blood falls is an outflow of an iron oxide-tainted plume of salt water, flowing from the tongue of Taylor Glacier onto the ice-covered surface of West Lake Bonny. In the Taylor Valley of the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Victoria Land, East Antarctica, iron-rich hypersaline water sporadically emerges from small fissures in the ice cascades. The saltwater source is a subglacial pool of unknown size, overlain by about 400 meters of ice several kilometers from its tiny outlet at Blood Falls. The reddish deposit was found in 1911 by the Australian geologist Griffith Taylor, who first explored the valley that bears his name. The Antarctica pioneers first attributed the red color to red algae, but later it was proven to be due to iron oxides. According to McCuckey, the now inaccessible subglacial pool was sealed off 1.5 to 2 million years ago, and transformed into a kind of time capsule, isolating the ancient microbial population for a sufficiently long time to evolve independently of other similar marine organisms. It explains how other microorganisms could have survived, when the Earth according to the snowball Earth hypothesis was entirely frozen over.